Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Samuel, and today I will be teaching you or guiding you on how to prepare for the Ontario Building Code exam. So if you're planning to write any of the exams that will allow you to stamp drawings, or just you would like a qualification or basic knowledge about these exams, this is the right channel and video for you. So in this video, first of all, I'll just give you the introduction about the building code and preparation for the exam. What do you need? So if you have no idea about how to prepare for the Ontario Building Code exam, these are the steps that you need to take. So number one, you do need two books. So book one, it's volume one of the Ontario Building Code, and you should be familiar with this. And you also need volume two. Now, if you're writing any one of the exam, why do you need both books? Well, about 65 to 60% of the questions, 60 of the questions, sorry, that would be roughly about 75 to 80% of the question comes in volume 1. Now, in volume 2, have about 20% of the questions. So you do need both volumes in order to pass the exam. In this course, if you're looking for just the Ontario Building Code online book, well, then you just click on this link and it'll take you to the Ontario Building Code. Excuse me. And you have section 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and it goes on. Part 9. This is just the online. Now, let's focus on registration. So if you're planning to register for the exam, first of all, you need a BCIN number. In order for you to get that number, or what's a BCIN number? First of all, a BCIN number is a building code identification number. So if you are planning to submit a drawing to the city, you must use your BCIN number. If the city does not see that number, they will not basically approve the plan unless you are the owner of that home. So if you are planning to become a designer, a Part 9 designer, you want to stamp drawings for houses in Ontario, maybe for renovations or some change of use, and you does not own that home, well then you will have to get a BCIN. And let's start in getting you prepared for the BCIN and what or how you would be using that when writing an exam. So number one, if you have a BCIN number, then you can just click here. If you don't have one, I don't have a BCIN, and how to get one. I'll just click on this. The page can be a little bit trouble to get in sometimes. You might need to do it twice. So we'll take you to the Ontario Ministry of Municipality Affairs and Housing. So this is the big website, basically. So if you're planning to do the BCIN as an individual, there are two options, individual or an organization. Many people does it as an individual, and I guess you would understand the difference here. So I will click on individual, I'll go next. Now you can fill out this account information. So your name, which is your first name, last name, your address, your city, province, postal code, phone number. Kindly put your cell phone number and not another number or a friend number, because your BCIN will be connected to your phone number and your email address, your main email address. If you have a CRA business number, well then you can put in a CRA business number. When you finish answering all of these questions, you will click I clarify that the information above is true to the best of my knowledge. Click this and then you hit submit. Once you do that, you will get to a page that looks like this. Confirmation. Thank you for signing up for the BCIN. Your BCIN is this number. Now, obviously, please don't use this number. It's just fake. I just made this number as a fake number. So, whatever number you get, that's the number you will use. Now, how do you go ahead and book for an exam? So you go to Ontario Billing Code, you go back into your search, you go OBC exam, and then they're gonna say welcome Ontario Billing Code exam or examination schedule at Humber College. I'll just click welcome to the Ontario Billing Code exam and I'll take you to this page. Now there are many options on this page. Number one, you have home, which is obviously this page. There are a lot of information that you can read here. So these are the exams that you can write: general, legal, and the list goes on. If you're planning to stamp residential home drawings, you need 2 exams. You're a designer legal, and then you need to pass the designer legal 2012, and you need to pass House 2012. That's the only 2 exams you would need in order to stamp Part 9 buildings. Now let's scroll down to the examination. If you want to know examination format, you can click here. Examination schedule, you can click here. So imagine you're planning to register for an exam. I'll just take you to this page. Now, the only thing that you should take into consideration, and there are 2 things. Number 1, you're given 75 questions. You need it will be equal to 100%. You need 70% to pass this exam. If you do not get 70%, then you will be given a fail. Now, how much questions do you need to pass? About 54 questions in order to be successful at the exam. Now let's look at dates. Dates of schedule. So first of all, which dates are available? So all of these are closed. You need to book 21 days ahead of the examination date. So if you count from today's date, you're 21 days ahead before I book the next exam. So January the 30th, 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. Any one of the 2 you would like to book. So if you click on 10 a.m. exam, I'll take you to this page. You will click on whichever exam you want to here, and they're all listed here. And once you click on that, you can click continue or log in, and then it goes. If you don't want an examination, you just remove it. You want to add the next one, you add again. You go to here, you click on, imagine you're looking at 2nd of February, 2 p.m. Then you click on whichever exam again you want, so House 29, hit continue. And all the steps are simple from there. They will send you an email confirmation, and please keep that email confirmation handy just in case you need to answer, or just in case the link doesn't come to your email within 5 days before the exam. You will need to contact Humber College, and the information will be on your email, the email address or a contact number. It's better to just email them, it will be faster, and they will provide you with the link for the exam. Thank you for watching, and I hope